Here's a big YouTube article about the 2026 Shelby Mustang GT500 Super Snake featuring a digital render in white with black accents, including an inside view. 2026 Shelby Mustang GT500 Super Snake, digital render in white and black, inside view. Welcome back to Motormania Hub, where the roar of muscle meets the thrill of innovation. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most electrifying legends reborn for 2026, the Shelby Mustang GT500 Super Snake. In this video, we'll break down a stunning digital render in a sleek white and black color scheme, explore the aggressive redesign, and take a detailed look at the interior upgrades that are redefining American muscle. Exterior, aggression in motion. First impressions matter, and this digital render of the 2026 Super Snake hits hard. The body is finished in a glossy Arctic white, contrasted with matte black racing stripes that stretch from hood to tail. It's a bold, menacing look that screams performance and sophistication. The wide body stance is more prominent than ever, with carbon fiber aero parts sculpted to precision, including a redesigned front splitter, side skirts, and a massive rear diffuser. Up front, the LED headlights are slimmer and sharper, integrated into a more angular grille that houses the signature Shelby Cobra emblem. The hood features functional heat extractors and a more aggressive bulge, hinting at the beast underneath. Out back, quad exhaust tips sit beneath a carbon fiber rear bumper, while a new active aero wing provides both downforce and drama. Performance rumors. While Ford hasn't officially confirmed the full specs, insiders suggest that the 2026 GT500 Super Snake will be powered by a 5.2-liter supercharged version 8, producing an estimated 825 horsepower. With lightweight materials, advanced cooling systems, and a new dual-clutch 8-speed transmission, this beast is expected to sprint from 0 to 60 mph in under 3.3 seconds. And yes, expect track-tuned suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, and launch control to be part of the package. Interior, race-bred comfort. Step inside the render and you're greeted with a cabin that blends muscle car heritage with modern digital precision. The cockpit is drenched in black Alcantara and leather, with white stitching echoing the car's exterior paint job. The flat-bottom steering wheel carries the Shelby badge and is wrapped in suede, featuring carbon fiber inlays and paddle shifters. A 12.5-inch digital instrument cluster and a 15-inch floating infotainment screen dominate the dash, running Ford's latest sync system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a custom Shelby Performance telemetry suite. Expect real-time track data, G-force meters, lap timers, and customizable performance modes. The bucket seats are Recaro branded, deeply bolstered for high-speed cornering yet comfortable enough for daily drives. Ambient lighting glows in cool whites and soft blacks, enhancing the futuristic vibe. A premium Bang & Olufsen sound system ensures you feel every note, unless you prefer the thunder of the exhaust. Digital design and legacy. This render isn't just eye candy, it's a glimpse into the next generation of Shelby excellence. The white and black contrast not only enhances its muscular lines but pays tribute to classic Shelby liveries. It's modern, it's menacing, and it's undeniably Mustang. Final thoughts. The 2026 Shelby GT500 Super Snake in this digital render is a perfect fusion of heritage and high-tech. With a jaw-dropping design, expected monstrous performance, and a driver-focused interior, this Mustang is ready to dominate roads and racetracks alike. What do you think? Would you drive the white and black Super Snake? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motormania Hub for more high-octane content. Want me to turn this into a script format or create a thumbnail, caption for your video too?